Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new to this channel, hey, what's up? Make sure you subscribe so that you can join this team. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you ways you can actually make more money. I did a video on how you can make money online in Kenya, and I had promised that I'll do a continuation video of that. So this is the continuation video. In case you've not watched that video, this one here, I'll put the link here so that you can check that video out, because you need to know what are the other ways to make money so that you can see this one now, which is how to make more money. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna be giving you ways you can actually make money, and these are ways that do not require your entire full day. So you only need 2 to 3 hours in your day and you're good to go. So the first way that you can actually make money is to start an online business. So for online business, all you need to do is to open your shop on an online store like Jumia or Kilimall. The reason why online businesses are better than offline businesses is because for online shops, you don't need to rent any space. You don't need to have a room that you've rented. All you just need to do is to go and post your photos there. Once you get a customer, you just ship the item to them. And also, oh my god, my cat has started to become stubborn. Say hello. Also, you can start an online shop maybe on your social media platform like Instagram or WhatsApp, whereby you have items that you sell to your social media platforms. So for this one, all you need to do is to have a niche that you want to do. Maybe you can sell utensils, you can sell clothes, or maybe you can sell things like kids' clothes, jackets, beddings, maybe shoes, handbags, anything that you just want, that you have interest on. So you need to take good photos of them with a good background that will attract people to buy, and then you advertise these things maybe online or Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, and you're good to go. Or if you start an online shop with Kilimall or Jumia, you can post the photos there, and sometimes on Jiji, but I don't really advocate for Jiji because you won't get a lot of customers. People do not trust Jiji because it has a lot of scammers. So once people find you, they buy your item. And the good thing with an online store is that you don't need to have so much stock. You can start with little stock and see if this business is going to boom. So you can start experimenting. You can start with clothes and then maybe handbags and shoes and see which one is going more than the other. Another way you can make more money on the side is to join survey sites. I've done a video on survey sites that actually pay. There are many survey websites that are there. So this one is not something that you can rely on. Surveys are there to help you maybe get a little income on your phone, like airtime or something of that sort, but it's not something that you can rely on as a full-time thing. So if you want to know the survey sites that pay, you can check that video I did on online survey sites that pay, and maybe you can try making money with surveys. They are actually good because I've showed you guys how much I make with surveys. I make airtime around 300 or 200 on a low week each and every week. So it's a good way maybe to get airtime, because you don't get to buy airtime. They just help you to save on the money you would have used to buy airtime. So for surveys, you just answer a few questions and you get money. It's a good way actually to make a little money on the side. Hey, stop, Bana. Another way to make money is to create an online course. So this is whereby maybe you create a course that you are good at, maybe any skill you know. Right now, a lot of people want to learn to speak Swahili. So you can actually create your online course whereby you teach people how to speak Swahili. With that, you can make so much money, especially once you start attracting an audience. But obviously at the beginning, it may be down because of course, before people can notice you. But once people notice you, you're going to make so much money with it. The good thing with starting an online course is that you have your own schedule, you create your own timetable, you are your own boss, nobody is telling you what to do. You're the one who will tell your students, maybe I'm available at this and this time, and you don't need to teach people the entire day because it's online. So obviously you just spare 1 to 2 hours in a day, and that's enough. There are platforms that you can actually get this these jobs, for example on Udemy, but there are other online like tutor.ke, onlinetutors.com. I can't remember all the websites but you can just search for the websites that actually pay you to become a tutor online, and you're going to get those websites out. You can try them out and maybe make money with it. Another way to make money is to get a second job. So when I say getting a second job, you don't even need to be employed. You can create your own job. For example, you can decide you want to start maybe a shop whereby you sell clothes, or maybe you can start with selling mutush, second-hand items, or just anything, whereby after your 9 to 5 job, you come back and take this job maybe for 2 hours, so maybe from 5 to 7. It's a good way to make money on the side. I have done this second-hand clothes selling, and I can tell you guys they have a lot of money. As long as you have another job, you don't need to do it as a full-time job. Like when I used to sell my clothes, I would not do it daily. I would do it maybe twice in a week, and I would get enough money. But obviously, if you don't have any other job, you can do it as a full-time job. But if you have another job, you can make this a side hustle. And if you don't go to jobs on Saturdays and Sundays, you can also do this during that time. So always, you don't need to have one stream of income. When you have a 9 to 5 job, you need to look for another stream of income, whether online or offline. Another way to make money is to grow your social media, so whereby you grow your online presence and make money with it. For example, you can grow an Instagram page, and with time you're going to get followers. Once you get followers, brands will start getting attracted to you. You can make money through advertising and all those things. You can actually make money by selling your stuff online once you grow your social media. So it's so advantageous whenever you have a social media, and not necessarily Instagram. You can also have a TikTok account, whereby once you start growing your presence, once you start getting more followers on TikTok, you will also make money. I've done a video on how you can make money with social influencing, how you can grow your social media pages and start making money. So I don't talk much about it because I feel I've done this already. In case you want to check it out, I'll put that in the description. Guys, if I forget, just remind me in the comment section down below. I'll put a link on how you can grow your social media and start making so much money. Another way to make money is to learn a skill and start making money with it on the side. There are so many skills you can teach yourself. For example, you can learn skills like making shaggy carpets. Maybe you can learn skills like knitting wigs. Which other skill? Crocheting handbags, crocheting maybe sweaters. There are so many skills you can teach yourself, and then once you come out from your job, you can actually be knitting this, whereby you do them maybe when you're watching news, when you're chilling, watching Netflix or anything, watching your movies. Instead of just watching like that, you watch while you're knitting maybe that shaggy carpet, maybe that crochet bag and everything. So always teach yourself a skill. I just read an article somewhere that if you want to make money, if you want to build wealth, you need to have a special skill that you have that makes money or that brings something to your table. And you know, many people who are actually millionaires, they do not rely on their salaries, they rely on their side hustles. So if you can have a skill that you know and make it a side hustle, you can actually make money on the side, and you will not need a full-time job. You may actually quit your job to start focusing on this. And these are skills you can learn online, you can learn on YouTube. So start investing, use YouTube to learn some of these skills instead of just using YouTube for entertainment. Another way you can make money is to test websites and apps for money. This is something I've discovered people are actually doing. So whenever a website or an app is created, you'll be among the first people to review it. You find that most websites, when they start, they pay people to use them first. So once you are among the first people to use them, and maybe they will also pay you to refer friends, always be among the first people to try these apps, to review them, to refer your friends and make money with them. Okay, it has started raining here, and so I feel like my voice has started to go down. You guys, maybe I should end this video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please guys, like my videos. Please don't forget to like, support your girl. I'm really loving the support so far. I'm not complaining. And also comment down below. Tell me what you want to watch in the future. Tell me what you think about this video. Definitely, if you have any questions, just ask me. I'm going to answer you. And until next time, I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay safe and bye.